Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you checking out another video. So, as promised, we're going to go over my 1995 Harley Davidson Bad Boy Springer. Just what the plans are with it, what we've got so far to do on it, what we've done so far, which is very little, and kind of the time frame of what we're looking at. So I bought this bike right before Thanksgiving from an older guy down in Florida who's no longer riding. So I got a pretty good deal on the bike. It does need some stuff done to it. The bike ran when I bought it. He sent me videos of it running. Now, I don't know if it's elevation or what, it will only run at full throttle or full choke. So we've got some work to do there. And then he had a lot of electronics on this bike that I've since pulled off. And so we're gonna have to run or chase some wires and probably take a lot of the wiring out of the bike. So. Again, 95, it's got a lot of the original parts, original seat, original saddlebag, toolbox, backrest, luggage rack, and air cleaner, which are, if you chase these bikes for a while or mess with them much, you know, a lot of those parts are pretty hard to come by. He actually had a Mustang seat on here with blue flames. He's got flames and crosses and skulls all over this bike. I think it's the reason why he had such a hard time selling it. Well, I was able to get such a good deal on it. So I actually appreciate that because I was able to find all the stuff I wanted. So again, he's doing the original seat because he wanted his Mustang seat. He had a really aggressive pointy cone air cleaner on here, which he wanted to keep. So he gave me the original air cleaner cover and filter. So that was great for me. The original bags were on it, backrest, luggage rack, and toolbox, which, you know, all things we like to have. He also had made a leather tank dash, like flames. Said he made it himself, wanted to keep it, so I told him that wasn't a problem. I wasn't going to run it anyway. So yeah, I'm going to just go over some of the stuff on this bike and show you what it's got and what we're going to switch up. All right, so here it is, guys. He has these flame mirrors that I'm taking off, these pointy grips. I've got replacements for both of these already. He had these long leather tassels that I've already taken off. But I'll be replacing these as well. He has this skull ignition cover. I've got a replacement for this. The horn cover, I have a replacement, and the derby cover, I already have replacements for. And I'm replacing all these. I'm actually going to put these pegs on all of the, for all the pegs. So these flames will be coming off, the cross highway pegs. I think I'm going to take the whole mustache bar off and just not run one at all. It's got the original seat, like I said, original saddlebags, original luggage rack, original backrest. So all that stuff's great. I'm actually looking for a tail light. He's got this skull one on, but all the ones that I've been able to find so far have the license plate light pointing up, but I need one that points down for the bad boy. So with the exhaust, I'm thinking either two into one, or I don't want the stock exhaust. I don't like the way it sounds. I'm thinking about probably doing like an aftermarket for that period, like a Python or something, exhaust that'll fit on the bike. So I'm looking for one of those as well. I have another air cleaner cover that I'm going to put on there. This one's in pretty good shape, but I found one that was in better shape, so I'm going to put it on. And then he has this Grateful Dead timing cover that's also, it's coming off. I have a replacement for that as well. So seat, saddlebag, everything's in pretty good condition, and this tail light is obviously going to be replaced. So, you know, we'll start this assembly and then put on some new parts, get it running. I'm hoping it's the carb. If anybody knows about these old EVOs, what could make it do that, run it full choke, but only full choke, please let me know. So that's the bike. Again, if anybody knows about these old EVOs, why it only runs at full choke, let me know in the comments. So hopefully, I'm hoping it's the carb. I can just clean it out and it'll run better. Maybe even just adjust the carb would be fantastic, since the difference in elevation from where it came from to where it is now. But I don't think I'll be that lucky. And then let me know in the exhaust what you guys, what the opinion is. Do we do stock? Do we do a 2-in-1? Do we do something aftermarket for this mid '90s period? You know, let me know what you think sounds the best, looks the best. I'd like to keep it. I probably won't do the 2-in-1, even though I think they look and sound really good. It just doesn't really fit the rest of the bike. The rest of the bike's gonna be pretty stock when I get done with it. So let me know, guys. Appreciate you checking it out, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.